So yes, this is a very short video to show you how I've converted an old 1970s Simprop SSM Contest radio to 2.4 GHz. It's an 8-channel radio, and here we go. It's a quick demonstration of the different channels. This is channel 1 and channel 2 and channel 3 and channel 4, and then we've got channel 5, the switch channel, and then one of the sliders here, channel 6 and channel 7, and then last but not least 3 position channel 8. Now I'll have a look at how the failsafe works. The throttle's set to full throttle, as you can see, the throttle servo there. I'll just turn it off, and now that should go to idle, which it has done. Just power it up again, and then just show you in the back how I've done the arrangement here. Okay, so there it is. Here's the PPM signal. I found it on the printed circuit board just there. I've wired the positive and negative power into the right hand side of the switch. So if I turn that off, you'll see the little flashing light which is on the FrSKY binding board. That goes off, and that's gone into failsafe again. Switch it on again, that'll power up, and then everything's working again. Treat it to a new battery. It's got 2,500 milliamp battery, so it should run for several years on that. But yeah, great little conversion, easy to do, and really pleased with it. And so this will be flying probably some period aircraft from the 1970s that I'll build, and then hope you enjoyed it. Okay, thank you very much. Don't forget to press the like button.